Hi everyone, my name is Rebecca Cornum and I'm currently in the ADN program and I'm here at the Potomac campus at Galen College of Nursing. Well, I would say my favorite thing is just the staff that they have and the professors that they have. Each one of them are very well educated. They share lots of stories from their nursing career, and I would say they just push you to keep going. The curriculum is great. It's very well laid out, and I would just say that the staff is awesome. Like you're put into it, and you're given as much hands-on experience as they can give you. So they're very focused on you succeeding as a student. I feel like they care for each of us. They really take the time to care for each one of us.